Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between profiles on ASUS ROG Keris 2As. To do it, you need to click on the DPI button and the scroll wheel at the same time, and it will cycle through these 5 profiles. So let me show you that. The first one is the color cycle, and it's the profile 1. Then when I switch it and it's on breathing purple, then it's in profile 2. When I switch it and it's static blue, then it's profile 3. When I switch it to profile 4, it's breathing green. And when I switch it to profile 5, it's reactive yellow. So reactive means that when I click on something or scroll the wheel, then the yellow shows up. So I'm gonna re-switch to the profile 1, to the color cycle, and now it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.